Hi, and welcome to this guided meditation for when you're feeling stressed out at the airport. No matter what happened, maybe you missed your flight, maybe you forgot something, maybe your seat got switched, your flight got delayed, or maybe you just hate airports. Whatever it is that's going on for you, just take a moment to notice where you are and take one deep breath. Deeply in through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Maybe sigh it out if you feel comfortable to do so. And again, inhale through the nose, hold it at the top, feel the tension and anger, let it bubble up, and exhale, let it go. And one more time, we're going to breathe in patience, breathe in compassion, and breathe out the urge to tell someone to F off. And continuing breathing at your own pace, at a pace that feels comfortable and soothing for you. And as someone who's traveled a lot and has traveled alone a lot, I know that airports can be extremely stressful and vulnerable places, especially when something goes wrong or our plans are changed, when we can't communicate properly because of the language barrier, or generally just feel confused about what's going on or what we're going to do next. And when things go wrong, sometimes it feels like we need to show people how upset we are so that they take us seriously. But often the best way to get the results that we really want is to come from a calm and grounded state so that we can be more intentional and strategic. People generally want to help us, but they get triggered when we come to them in a chaotic state. And we're going to continue to focus on our breath here and think of something really comforting and affirming that you can say to yourself. Maybe this is really hard, or it's okay that I'm really angry, or I'm allowed to have bad days, and this doesn't make me a bad person. Maybe you did yell at someone, or you cried, or felt some shame, or embarrassment, or anger, and just know that anything that you experienced is okay. And taking this time right now for yourself to recenter and shift into a more peaceful state is the best thing you can possibly do for yourself in this moment. And we always deserve our own kindness. So focusing on that comforting phrase, we're going to repeat that to ourselves for the next 3 rounds of breath at your own pace. You're welcome to close your eyes if you haven't already, if that feels okay for you, and take your time with these 3 breaths, and I'll be here to guide you back. And now, starting to bring attention back to your body. If you closed your eyes, you can open them now. And try to look around you with a lens of kindness and compassion, and know that you are going to be okay. Even if you only feel slightly different now, know that the benefits of this practice are still working at a subconscious level, and you deserve to be very proud of yourself for taking this time for you. And take as much time as you need after this practice. Know that I'm sending you lots of love, compassion, and strength as you move back into this world with a new perspective. With love, namaste.